What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can still use your phone while listening to YouTube videos, so stick around. Now, YouTube is meant for video, but most of everyone has figured out by now that it's also great for music, especially for listening to those old songs that you thought you'd never be able to hear again. However, I'm sure you've probably figured out by now that listening to the tunes on the mobile app isn't always the most enjoyable experience. And the main reason for that is that playback is only available when the app is front and center on your screen. And it stops when you shift your attention elsewhere and open another app. And there's nothing worse than losing all functions of your phone for the full 5 or 6 minutes that a song's playing. Thankfully, there are workarounds for both iOS and Android, and you'll actually be able to use your phone while you're listening to your favorite songs. So I'm going to first show you how to do it on an iPhone, then I'm going to explain how to do it for an Android device. So first off, you need to download an application called Dolphin, which is a mobile browser. Once you've downloaded the application, go to youtube.com, select the song that you want to listen to, press play and leave the page. Next, go to Control Center on your phone, and that's it. Now you'll be able to play back the song via Control Center. Now in terms of playing back YouTube on an Android device, and this is obviously for someone who doesn't already have split screen multitasking like on the Note 8, you're going to open up your Chrome browser and navigate to youtube.com. Then you need to hit the 3-dot menu button at the top right hand corner of the screen. Then head to the Request Desktop Site option near the bottom of the list and tap the field to turn it on. Then you can pick out the song you want to play, accept any pop-ups asking for permissions for YouTube to display notifications. Once your song is playing, you can leave the Chrome app in the background and move on to other tasks. The playback will stop at first, but you can control the track via the phone's notification menu. Anyways guys, that's going to do it for me in this one. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please be sure to drop a like rating down below and also subscribe to the channel to be notified of future content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron and I'll see you guys on the next one.